poppin'. Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video was inspired by these shorts that I seen on Pinterest, and the goal is to be able to recreate them using this quilt. This quilt that I bought is reversible. One side is a solid gray and the other side is solid white with different toned gray leaves on it. All I'm doing here is laying out my material and folding it over so I could begin tracing out my short. I am going for more of a basketball style short, so they're going to be oversized and these little shorts aren't going to do it. So I'm going to excessively over trace these shorts, making sure to leave about 6 or 7 inches from the top to fold over as my waistband. I have noticed that a lot of my footage is missing from this project, so I apologize if I'm doing more explaining than showing. After I cut out this pattern of my shorts, I'm going to use it and cut out another one, sew the two patterns together along this line. After sewing and while my shorts are still inside out, I'm going to line up my inner leg seams all the way up to the crotch seam and sew a straight line across. Because of the fabric that I'm using, it is prone to fraying, so a simple straight stitch is not going to cut it. So what I'm going to do is, I have 2 seams right here. I have, 2 pieces of fabric right here. I'm going to cut one of them really low, close to my seam line. Just cut it right on off, and then I'm going to take this longer piece now, fold it in half, and then fold the whole thing over and top stitch it down. Now I'm going to move on to my waistband. I am going to use this elastic that I got from Dollar Tree to fill in my waistband. I folded over my top of my shorts inwards about 3.5 inches in. I reloaded my bobbin and sewed a straight line all the way around the top of my shorts. These are the eyelets that I'm going to install on the waistband to sieve my drawstring through. An eyelet has 2 pieces, one goes on the front, the outer piece, and one goes on the inside. And then you have a special tool that you use to clamp them together. My waistband is going to consist of 3 channels of elastic, a top, a middle, and a bottom. The middle will also have the drawstring go through it just for extra tightness. The way I get my elastic through the channel is to use a safety pin and put it on the end of the elastic and just wiggle it all the way around until it comes back out the other end. After making the last channel of elastic, I'm going to use this paracord that I also bought from the Dollar Tree to use as my drawstring. And I'm going to feed it through the 2 holes using a safety pin. Now that my waistband is finished, it's time to move on to hemming the bottom of my shorts. So it's not so bulky and that I reduce the fraying, I'm going to zigzag stitch along the edge. And then I'm going to fold it 1 inch up and sew around it with a straight stitch twice for a nice finish. I have a lot of loose threads, so I'm just going to tie them off and cut them off. And as my final finishing touch, I'm going to sew my name onto it. And these are the final results of my quilted basketball shorts. I really love these shorts. The coordinating contrast between the white and the gray is perfect. They are big thigh friendly and it can't get any better than that. I completely forgot to show you guys how I put the pockets on. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl.